Hello, today we will guide you through how to change settings in Claude Projects. To begin, open Claude in your web browser. Once the page loads, make sure you're on the main Claude interface so you can access your workspace. If you're not already signed in, complete that first so your projects become visible. Starting from the main screen helps ensure the options we'll mention appear in the right place. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click on Projects. This section is where Claude organizes your saved project spaces, making it easier to manage separate workflows, instructions, and resources. If you have several projects, this is the central place where you can browse through them and choose the one you want to update. After that, select the specific project whose settings you want to change. Take a moment here to confirm you've opened the correct one, especially if multiple projects have similar names. Opening the right project first is important, since any edits you make will apply only to that selected project. Once you're inside the project, find the three-dot menu associated with that project and click it. This menu usually contains additional actions and management options that aren't shown directly on the main project view. If you don't see it right away, scan near the project header or top area of the page, as that's commonly where these controls are located. From the menu that appears, click Edit Details. This is the area where you can adjust the project's settings or information. Depending on what you need to update, this page may include fields such as the project name, description, or other editable details. Make your changes carefully and review them before moving on. A good tip here is to double-check spelling and naming conventions so your project stays easy to recognize later. When you're done, click Save to apply your changes. Saving confirms the updates and ensures your revised project details are stored properly. If you navigate away before saving, your changes may be lost, so it's always worth pausing for a quick final review before you click that button. And that's it. You've successfully changed the settings in your Claude project. If needed, you can repeat the same process for any other project by returning to the Projects section, opening the correct project, accessing the three-dot menu, choosing Edit Details, and saving your updates.